Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a product that might just be the unsung hero of any organized studio or stage setup. These 25-piece microphone stand cable clips. Anyone who has spent time around audio equipment knows the struggle, tangled cables, tripping hazards, and just a general mess that can detract from focus and professionalism. But what if there was a simple, effective solution? These mic cable holders are crafted from high-quality plastic, ensuring they are not only durable enough to withstand the rigors of regular use, but also safe for equipment. It is great to see a product designed to be reusable and environmentally friendly, which is a significant advantage. One of the standout features is the versatility offered by the 3 different sizes. This is not a one-size-fits-all approach that leaves users wanting. The set includes 5 small clips with an inner diameter of 14.2, perfect for slimmer stands. There are also 5 medium clips at 18.7, covering a broader range. And for the larger, more robust stands, there are 5 large clips with a generous 23.5 mm diameter. This thoughtful sizing means these clips are suitable for a wide array of tubes, specifically designed for 15-20 mm, 20-25 or 25-30 mm diameters. This covers larger studio microphone stands, light stands, and even keyboard stands. The design incorporates a clever rolling strip mechanism. This is not just about holding a cable, it is about securely fastening it to prevent any unwanted movement. This feature is crucial for keeping cables neatly tucked away, eliminating the risk of someone tripping over a loose microphone cable during a performance or recording session. It brings a level of safety and organization that truly elevates a workspace. The complete package is incredibly generous, providing a total of 25 pieces. Beyond the 15 clips, 5 of each size, the set also includes 10 additional cable ties, giving even more options for cable management. This comprehensive set ensures users have everything needed to tackle even complex cabling challenges. Ultimately, these microphone stand cable clips are more than just simple accessories. They are an investment in a cleaner, safer, and more professional environment. They help maintain a tidy appearance, reduce potential hazards, and allow individuals to focus on what truly matters, their sound or performance. For anyone looking to bring order to their audio setup, these clips are an absolute game changer.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.